Record-breaking Northern California snowstorm blankets Donner Pass, Truckee, and Soda Springs with up to 8 feet of snow. A severe winter system hit Northern California on Sunday, February 15, 2026, and continued through Wednesday, February 18. The storm began with heavy rain in coastal and valley areas, including Los Angeles, the San Francisco Valley, and around the lower Sierra Nevada mountains, before moving into heavy snow. In the Sierra Nevada mountains and around Lake Tahoe and Mammoth. The storm system brought up to 8 feet of snow in some mountainous areas, completely blanketing the cities of Truckee, Donner Pass, and Soda Springs. Some roads, including I-80, were closed due to avalanche danger and the severity of the storm. Local ski areas reported 25 to 35 inches of fresh snow, with up to 8 feet of snow in some mountainous areas. Northern California, the Donner Pass and Soda Springs areas saw the most snowfall, with up to 8 feet of snow, affecting mountain roads, making I-80 extremely slippery and dangerous. Drivers were unable to safely cross the area without special equipment, and some lanes were temporarily closed. The Truckee, Cisco, and Kingvale areas saw moderate amounts of snow, and drivers were advised to drive with caution. Tahoe City and Boca saw lighter rain, which caused limited slush, but roads remained open. The storm system has created severe driving hazards, with potential for road closures, slippery roads, and avalanches, and local authorities have warned drivers and residents in mountainous areas to exercise extreme caution. I-80 was particularly affected in the Soda Springs, Donner Pass, and Truckee sections. Forecasters predict that high-altitude areas will continue to experience heavy snow and strong winds until the storm passes, and drivers should bring snow chains and winter gear. Meanwhile, low elevation areas will continue to experience light rain and snow, but there is also a chance of flooding and slippery roads. The storm is the most severe winter system to hit Northern California in recent weeks, and in addition to causing road problems and avalanches, it has also temporarily closed some ski resorts and restricted highway traffic.